Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to find computer username and password in Windows 10 using simple built-in options so you can easily manage your account details. Method 1. Step 1 is to click the Start or Windows icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens the main menu where you can access system settings and account options. Step 2 is to click on Settings, which is the gear-shaped icon used to control Windows features and preferences. This is where most account-related settings are located. Step 3 is to click on Accounts, where Windows stores information about your user profile, sign-in options, and security settings. This section helps you manage how you log into your PC. Step 4 is to click the PIN sign-in option, which shows alternative ways to sign in, such as a PIN or password. This area lets you review or modify your sign-in methods. Step 5 is to click Change or Remove under the PIN option if you want to manage or remove the PIN. This is useful if you no longer want to use a PIN for login. Step 6 is to click the password option listed below the sign-in methods. This option allows you to change your account password directly. Step 7 is to click Change, which starts the password update process. Windows will guide you through the required steps securely. Step 8 is to enter your current password when prompted. This is important to verify your identity before making any changes. Method 2. Step 1 is to click the Start or Windows icon again to open the main menu. This gives you access to classic system tools. Step 2 is to click Control Panel, which contains advanced and traditional Windows settings. It is often used for managing accounts and credentials. Step 3 is to click User Accounts, where you can view and manage usernames and related account details. This section shows information linked to your Windows profile. Step 4 is to click Credential Manager, a tool that stores saved usernames and passwords for Windows and applications. It helps you review stored login data. Step 5 is to click Windows Credentials, where saved system and network credentials are displayed. Here, you can view stored usernames associated with your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.